In the beginning, divine wisdom turned humble earth into a miracle. He began the creation of man from the simplest clay, setting the stage. From a single drop, a progeny was born, an extract of humble fluid transformed into a complete form, gifted with a heart and a soul. Reflect on this transition. The one who originated your existence from nothing is surely capable of bringing you back to him once more. True believers do not walk with arrogance. When they are reminded of the signs of their Lord, they fall down in humble prostration, glorifying him. This sajda is more than just a physical act. It is the heart's absolute submission to the Creator and the Imam appointed for our time. In the silence of the night, when the world sleeps, the faithful forsake their beds, calling upon their Lord in fear and in hope. This is the prostration of Wilayah, lowering the pride of the self to rise among the grateful servants, protected by the light of spiritual guidance. Observe how the rain brings life to a dead land. Similarly, the light of divine truth revives the soul from its long, heavy slumber. Rise from the dust of heedlessness. The dawn of the Qaim is the ultimate return, and the victory promised to all true believers. Surah As-Sajdah remains an eternal lesson for us all. Prostrate with your soul, and you shall rise with the Imam of your time.